STEM Lab, the Center of Excellence. Yes, this is Divya from grade 9, the SPL of the school. Today, we are going to have a look in our STEM lab of our school. Here, we have lots of things where we are going to learn about robots, robotic stuffs, etc. In the 21st century skills, we have the 4 C's called the communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity. Yeah, today we're going to look at what is robotics, what's the basic thing. Robotics is nothing but robots which resembles the human activity and which is helping our human in the day-to-day life, where this happens with the help of AI, the artificial intelligence. Here we have a quote whose written is Jan Lee Kuhn. Our intelligence is what makes us human, and AI is an extension of that quality, where he says about the excellent knowledge of the robotics, which is called AI, the artificial intelligence. I feel very glad that we are moving towards a vision of our founder father. As a result, here we are excellent in the 21st century skills, where we had our STEM lab here located in our DMI campus. We feel very excellent to have this STEM lab located in our school campus. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Hope you loved our STEM lab. Thank you.
My name is Hina Bowser. I am from grade 4. I am Madri. I am studying 5th standard. We are in the STEM lab. The STEM lab has science, technology and engineering and mathematics. Today we are excited to see this lab full of colorful and creativity.
Hi, I am Leon Mordek from grade 8. I am in STEM lab. The operation of it is science, technology, engineering, mathematics. I am going to study here about robotics, IoT, artificial intelligence, etc. This room is so colorful and full of banners. I am so excited to study in this center of excellence. Hi, I am Leon Mordek from grade 8.
This is Janita from grade 8A.
I am Rishan from grade 8.
I am Roshna Sassan from grade 8. Now we are going to see about autonomous delivery robot, which is used to deliver food and essential products to the human without manpower.
Here we have an Arduino, which is the brain of this whole process, and we are developing a prototype of it. And here was a small red board, and it was called as motor driver, which operates this motor, and here is the battery which gives power to all the system. And this is a small prototype, and here we have 4 wheels which is operated by a small motor.
This blue board is known as microcontroller and Arduino, and it was connected to the laptop with a programming code, and it is known as Arduino IDE or software, and it helps to make the motor run and into input and other output devices.
Now I will show a small demo of it. If I will give power to it, with the help of the motor, driver and program, it is running frontward and backwards. Thank you.
This is Divya. We are from grade 9. Today, let's have a look in our robotic hand, which we 4 made together. And first, we programmed this in a computer by using coding. Then, we have printed our model using the 3D printer. And finally, this is how it looks.
I am Praveen Verma. I will tell an example on the robotic hand. First of all, in world, all the smart gadgets are work in IPO cycle. As it is, the robotic hand also work in IPO cycle, which is meant by input process output cycle. And some of the examples on the robotic hand, which are in industrial, the object is very high temperature, I mean you are not able to touch it. And the situation, the robotic hand is useful.
Hi, I am Harish. I am going to show a demo how it works.
I am Anlia from grade 9. Here we have attached a sensor in this gloves. This sensor is the input of the robotic hand. This sensor gives the data to the Arduino. This is the Arduino that we have kept inside this box. This Arduino gives the received information from the sensor to the server by the help of the jumper wire. This server is helping the movement of the hand.
And some real life examples where we use our robotic hands are when our hand is being chopped, when it's no more, there we use a robotic hand instead of a human hand, and that hand is called prosthetic hand. Hope you loved our robotic hand, and hope you saw all the parts which we included in this robotic hand. As a result, it moves. Thank you.
How many students like mathematics? Oh, good, everyone. So let's we see about the mathematics based on the patterns. Okay, based on the patterns, we can able to build a robots. Based on this, we can able to build a robots. So that stuff only we are going to do it now. Okay, so this stuff only we are going to do it now.
Hello, my name is T. Vivekashri. I am studying in 5th A, DMI St. Joseph Global Senior Secondary School. Today we learnt about patterns. There are everywhere patterns in space, flowers and trees. There is a machine how to draw a pattern.